everyone. In this video, we will discuss about the chapter 4 and study of cell. So what is cell? Cell is the basic structure and functional unit of cell life. Okay, the word cell was first coined by British scientist Robert Hooke. So cell coined by Robert Hooke. Okay, in the 1665, the smallest cell, Mycoplasma gallisepticum. Okay, what is the smallest cell? Mycoplasma gallisepticum. Okay. Longest cell, neuron. The biggest cell is the egg of ostrich. Schleiden and Schwann established cell theory in 1838 to 1839. So this is important term. Schleiden and Schwann, who established cell theory. Many exams have asked same thing. Who has established cell theory? And they will give you many options like Robert Hooke or Schleiden and Schwann. So you need to remember Schleiden and Schwann will be the right answer for the cell theory. Okay, fine. Main features of cell theory: all organisms are composed of cell, cause cell is the unit of the body. Okay, body of every organism is made of cell. Each cell arises from pre-existing cell. Every organism starts its life from a single cell. So cell is of two kinds, prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Prokaryotic means these are primitive cells having three basic structure of typical cell but lack nuclear membrane. Okay, nuclear material is present in a region of cytoplasm, okay, called nucleoid. Okay, other membrane bound organisms are absent. So here given membrane bound organisms are absent, such as mitochondria absent, ribosome absent, Golgi bodies absent, virus, okay, bacteria. And what are the examples of prokaryotic cell? Virus, bacteria and cyanobacteria and prokaryotes. Okay, fine. Eukaryotic cell means these are complete cells which contain membrane bound organisms and nucleus. Okay, which contain membrane bound organisms and nucleus. Nucleus also present there. Okay, unicellular and multicellular plant animal have eukaryotic cell. Okay, what is the difference between prokaryotes and eukaryotes? Size of cell is generally small, obvious. No organisms are present there, so size would be small. Okay, nucleus is absent. Okay, but what is present? Nuclear material is present in the region of cytoplasm called nucleoid. Okay, it contains single chromosome which circular in same. Okay, membrane bound cell organisms are absent. Mitochondria absent, cytoplasm absent. Okay, sorry, mitochondria is absent. And what are the other terms? Cell division takes place by fission or budding. Okay, now we will move to eukaryote. Size of cell is generally bigger, large nucleus present. It contains more than one chromosome. Okay, cell organisms are present. Okay, what are cell organisms? Mitochondria, ribosome, Golgi bodies. Cell division takes place by mitosis and meiosis. So many times this is asked. Okay, in eukaryotes, what is the how cell division takes place? Okay, so answer would be mitosis through meiosis and mitosis. A structure of typical cell. A cell have following structure: cell wall. In a plant cell, there is a rigid cell. Okay, yeah, in plant there is a rigid cell. Cell wall is which is non-living and freely permeable. It is made up of cellulose and chitin. It provides shape and rigidity to the cell. Okay, but cell wall is not present in animal cell. Always remember, cell wall is not present in animal cell. Okay, cell membrane. It is also known as plasma membrane, which form the outer covering of animal cell. Okay, in a plant cell, it is found within cell wall. Okay, It is thin, elastic, living, double-layer permeable membrane. It is made of phospholipid and molecules. It regulates movement of molecules inside and outside of the cell. So cell wall is not present in animal cells, but cell membrane is present. Okay. Now we'll move to protoplasm. Protoplasm means the whole fluid present inside plasma membrane is called protoplasm. The name protoplasm is given by Purkinje. Okay. So P or you can take reference from this term, protoplasm and Purkinje. Protoplasm is made up of various chemical substances like water, ions, salts, organic molecules. It is the living part of the cell. Protoplasm is divided into two parts, cytoplasm and nucleoplasm. Okay. The fluid found in outside the nuclear membrane. The fluid found and other term is nucleoplasm. The fluid found inside the nuclear membrane. Okay. That is called nucleoplasm, and cytoplasm is outside of the nuclear membrane. Mitochondria, discovered by Altman. Okay. Mitochondria is discovered by Altman in the year 1896. These are the cylindrical, rod-shaped and spherical structure found in cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is outside the nuclear membrane. Okay. It is surrounded by the double layered membrane. Inner membrane has manifold called cisti. Okay. Yeah. The fluid present inside the mitochondria is called matrix. The fluid present inside mitochondria is called matrix, which contain many enzymes and coenzymes. Functions. What is the function of mitochondria? Mitochondria is the respiratory site of cellular respiration. Mitochondria synthesize energy-rich compound ATP. It is also known as the powerhouse of the cell. Okay. Golgi bodies is the main. What is the main function of Golgi bodies? Is the main function is the packaging. Okay. Discovered by the scientist Camillo Golgi. Golgi bodies is made up of a group of tubes, vesicles, and vacuoles. In plant it is more number, and here it is known as dictosomes. Function. What is the function? It works as storage, processing, and packaging of material. It also involved in the synthesis of the cell wall, plasma membrane, and lysosomes. Okay. It also involved in the synthesis of cell wall, plasma, and membrane. Okay. Endoplasmic reticulum means, what is the main function? Its main function is transferring. Okay. Yeah, wait. Yeah, endoplasmic membranous network of tubules like a structure found in cytoplasm is called endoplasmic reticulum. It is attached with the nucleus on one side. On the other side, it is joined with the plasma membrane. Okay. Function: endoplasmic reticulum helps the distribution of material. It forms supporting framework of cell. It just transfer what is the important materials from one place to another. Okay. Ribosome discovered by the Palade. Okay. Small granules-like structure found attached in the or to the endoplasmic reticulum or in the free state. It is made up of ribonucleic acid. Function: take part in protein synthesis. Okay. Lysosomes discovered by the D. Dewey. These are the sac-like structures bounded by the single membrane and contain hydrolytic enzyme. Yeah. What is the function of the lysosomes? It helps in intracellular digestion. Intracellular digestion. What is the extra material? Things are found in the cell. So lysosomes digest those things and maintain the process and process of the cell. Okay. The enzyme found in the lysosomes may digest the entire cell. So it is also known as a suicidal bag. Okay. So function it helps in intracellular digestion. Okay. So I have already discussed centrosome discovered by Boveri. It is only found in animal cell taking part in a cell division. It is not bounded by membrane. Consists of two centrioles. Okay. Okay, what is the function of centrosome? Help in the formation of spindle fiber during the cell division. Plastids only found in plant cell. Okay, three types. Three types. Okay, these are the three types: chloroplast, chromoplast, and leucoplast. Chloroplast means these are green pigment found in green plant involved in photosynthesis. Okay, so it is known as kitchen of the cell. Chloroplast is bounded by two unit members having grana and stoma. Okay, grana has membranes bounded like structure found in stacks containing chlorophyll molecule. Okay, stroma is the matrix present inside the chloroplast. Stroma is matrix present inside the chloroplast, which contains photosynthesis. Okay, enzymes and starch grain. Granum is the site of light reaction during photosynthesis, while stroma is the site of dark reactions. Okay. Functions: chloroplast provides green color. It is simple thing. Okay. Now chromoplast provides various colors of the plant. Okay. Chromoplast. Leucoplast is the colorless. It stores the food in the form of starch, fat, and protein. Now we'll talk about vacuoles. These are the fluid-filled single membrane bounded dead organisms of cell. In plant cell it is larger in size, but animal it is very small. Okay. It helps in osmoregulation. It restores toxic metabolic waste. Okay. Nucleus. The nucleus is spherical, centrally located in nucleus actually. Yeah, animal cell. The nucleus is spherical, centrally located in the major structure of found in the cell. In plant cell, it is shifted towards peripherally. Okay, it is bounded by a double-layered nuclear membrane having pores within nucleus and chromatin material is present. Okay, within nucleoplasm, filled inside nucleolus and chromatin material present. Nucleolus is rich in protein and RNA. So what is nucleolus is made up of protein and RNA. Chromatin material is thin thread like a structure forming network. This is made up of genetic substance DNA and histone protein. Okay. Chromatin material is thin, made of genetic substance DNA and histone protein. During cell division, chromatin breaks into pieces and forms chromosome. Functions: it controls all the activity of cells, so it is also known as control room of cells. Chromatin transmits heredity characters from parents to of parent. Yeah, chromatin transmits hereditary characters from parents to their offsprings. Okay. What is the difference between plant and animal cell? Yeah, plant cells are larger. Okay, cell wall present. Okay, cell wall absent in animal cells. Plastids present. Plastids for the color of leaves. Okay, centrosome absent. Okay, centrosome absent. And vacuoles are larger in size. Vacuoles are found in stems. Okay. Animal cells are generally smaller in size, cell wall absent, plastids absent, centrosome present. Vacuoles are smaller in size. What is chromosome? Chromosome is thread-like structure found in the nucleus. Okay. It becomes visible during cell division. Each chromosome is made up of two chromatids joined together at a point centromere. Bead-like structure found on chromosome is called gene. Genes are made up of DNA, which is the carrier of genetic information from generation to generation. Okay. In some viruses, RNA is the genetic material called retrovirus. In some viruses, okay, RNA is the genetic material called retrovirus. In prokaryotes, there is only one chromosome, like bacteria and virus. Okay, in prokaryotes, there is only one chromosome, like bacteria and viruses. Okay, there is only one chromosome. You need to remember this thing. Fine. Now, eukaryotic cell possess many chromosomes. Eukaryotes में many chromosomes. A particular kind of species have definite number of chromosomes in their cell, which are in pair, known as diploid. The set of unpaired chromosomes is called haploid. Set of unpaired chromosomes is called haploid. Okay. Gametes have a haploid set of chromosomes. What is important here? A monkey, if you see a monkey, frog is important, and human is important, and P important, cause Mendel had chosen P for their experiment. Okay, so and chimpanzee 24 pairs, and not anything else important. Okay, wheat 21 pairs. Nucleic acid complex organism found in cell. It contains special genetic instructions is in coded form. Nucleic acids are two kinds. Okay, nucleic acids are two kinds. They are found in the cell, DNA, and another one is RNA. Okay. Now we'll talk about DNA. Friedrich Miescher was the first who isolated DNA from the nucleus of cell nucleus. Okay. DNA is macromolecule in which large number of nucleotides are present. Okay. Chemically, a nucleotide has three components: nitrogen base, sugar base, and phosphate group. Nitrogen base are two types: purines and nitrogen are two types: purines and pyrimidines. Okay. Purines contain two nitrogen base: adenine and guanine. Pyrimidine nitrogen are the thymine and cytosine. Thus, there are the four kinds of nucleotides present in DNA. Watson and Crick gave the structure model of DNA. This is very important, and many small exams. These things are asked: who invented something like a structure, who gave the structure, and such questions they ask. So you need to remember this thing. Watson and Crick give the structure of model of DNA. DNA molecule consists of two polynucleotide strands forming a double helix. Each strand, I hope people have seen such kind of a structure, like this kind of a structure. This. Okay. DNA molecule consists of two polynucleotide strands forming a double helix. Each strand has a backbone of sugar and phosphate. Nitrogen base is attached to the sugar. Okay. Nitrogen base is attached to the sugar. Nitrogenous base of the two strands of a double helix is formed as a pair with the help of hydrogen bonds. Okay. Adenine pairs with the thymine. So always remember adenine will pair with the thymine, and guanine will pair with the cytosine. Okay. ATGC, and thymine will be replaceable in the RNA. Okay. Thymine would be replaced. Okay. Adenine and thymine are complementary to each other, and cytosine is complementary to guanine. Okay. Hydrogen bonding between nitrogen's base holds the two strands together. This structure can be compared with the steps of spiral cases. Function: it contains genetic information in coded form. DNA synthesis, RNA synthesize RNA. Okay. DNA mainly found in nucleus. Yeah, and one more thing, DNA is found. DNA, what is the where DNA found? Okay, so DNA found in your mitochondria and plastids as well. Okay, in a small amount is found in mitochondria and chloroplast. Yeah, chloroplast here given. Okay. Now gene is hereditary unit which is made by a segment of DNA found on the chromosome. Now RNA. I think these things are not important. Nowadays they are not asking what is the RNA, mRNA, RNA, tRNA, what is the value of. But you can go for difference between RNA and DNA. Okay, so RNA, three types of RNA. What is RNA? RNA is single stranded, okay, nucleic acid made up of phosphate, ribose, sugar, and nitrogen based uracil, adenine, guanine, and cytosine. So here, uh, uh, thymine is replaced by the uracil. Okay, it is found in the nucleus as well as cytoplasm. RNA is three kind: mRNA, RNA, and tRNA. It brings the messages of DNA found in the nucleus of cytoplasm in the coded form. RNA present in the ribosome, which is the site of protein synthesis, and tRNA is a carrier of amino acid and transfer into the ribosome. Okay. Now functions. These are very important terms. Sugar is deoxyribose type. Okay. Deoxyribose. Okay. Always remember deoxyribose types. RNA is sugar. RNA sugar is ribose type. It contains the ATGC and it contains uracil. Okay. In the place of thymine, it is double stranded structure, a single stranded. It is mainly found in nucleus. Mainly found in nucleus only. Okay. It is found in both nucleus and cytoplasm. Now we will move to cell cycle. So it is a sequence of events in which cell duplicates its genetic material, synthesize the other constituents of the cell, and ultimately divide into two daughter cell. Cell cycle. Cell division. The process in which cell increase in their number is cell division. It is needed for growth, development, and repair of body. There are mainly two kinds of cell division: mitosis and meiosis. So nobody would be asked about mitosis and meiosis. So this is not important. So here we are done with the third chapter. Fourth chapter about the cell science. Okay. Now we'll continue with the next chapter, genetics. Okay. If you found this video is useful for you, please like, comment, and share, and subscribe with your friends also. Thank you so much.